Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and here's another video of me making, this time, my rose lip glosses. So if you want to see how, or just watch me make them, just keep on watching. Remember to subscribe, hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Like, comment, share, I would truly appreciate it, and it will help out my channel. So I am just going to let you guys know I have washed my hands, sanitized, wash, sanitize, all that good stuff. Just because you don't see it in here doesn't mean I did not do it. I just wanted to let you guys know that I am constantly washing my hands, putting on gloves, as you guys could see, and always sanitizing. So just wanted to throw that out there so nobody could come at me. But anyways, I am just going to let you watch me make my lip glosses, which, by the way, guys, this took about 4 hours. Like, this was like the longest product I made, and it's definitely time consuming, but the results were worth it. So let me stop talking and let you just watch this video. This is not a tutorial, also, it's just letting you guys watch me pretty much. Okay, bye.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll try, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. Yeah, I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll try. What can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
On my way home, stumbling on the pavement, yeah, yeah. No sleep in my body, Last night got me wasted. Yeah. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up, nobody would care. Yeah, don't wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Yeah. Well, sleep with the doors unlocked. Yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Headache and sore throat, constantly hungover. Yeah. Eating all alone, sleeping on my own. Tell me how to be. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up, nobody would care. Yeah, don't wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Yeah. Well, sleep with the doors unlocked. Yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Never been in love, yeah. I'm still waiting for the one. Looking for someone who cares about my needs. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up, nobody would care. Yeah, don't wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Yeah. Well, sleep with the doors unlocked. Yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked.